Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So the moment I shifted in that new property after leaving Twin Flames area, then immediately divine started saying that reunion is destined. And when I heard this from divine, I actually became angry, and since then I started becoming rude with divine. So, as Divine kept on repeating this statement that my reunion is destined, and I kept on becoming rude with Divine day by day, because Divine kept on repeating this statement on, especially on new moon and full moon, but also on other days. But then in December 2022, I was able to calm down myself, and I thought, why all of a sudden divine has started saying this to me that my reunion is destined. And before this, especially after my spiritual awakening, divine asked me to remove this person, this twin flame, from my thoughts and feelings. And now all of a sudden divine has started saying that my reunion is destined. And I was also already feeling guilty for being rude with divine, that I am not supposed to behave in this way. So as I knew, I have always been supported and protected and cared by divine, as I'm not supposed to behave in this way with divine. So I was actually feeling guilty. So then in December 2022, I thought maybe I have done some sort of mistake or sin in my past life, and that's why divine wants to send this person in my life as punishment of past life karma. So as immediately after my spiritual awakening, I started doing inner healing and did so many activations through which I can see anything whatsoever I want to see, and I can see anything. So there are some activations which I will guide you during inner work, so that you can also see your past life or anything if you want to see. Again, depends on person to person, but I knew I already did so many kind of activations, and I can see my past life. So I will guide you during inner work so that you can also see your past life effortlessly, but that is the part of mid-level inner work. Until you do initial level of inner work, you will not be able to see your past life, the one I want you to see. So as I decided to look into my past life, what has happened, and then I asked the higher self of this twin flame to show me what has happened in past life related to this twin flame. And it was a morning time. I asked this higher self of this twin flame about this past life, and then I was actually sleeping during afternoon time. There I saw my past life story with this twin flame, and I was actually shocked. So in past life, I was a daughter of a king, and this twin flame was a small working in that palace, and I had feelings for this person. So I myself actually proposed him for marriage. And as he being a worker, he was actually a greedy person and wanted to be a king. So I got to know only after this I got married to this person. So he accepted immediately that marriage proposal. So as he accepted the marriage proposal, before getting married to him, I told him if after marriage he wants to leave and he wants to go away from me, then he can be free at any point of time. He has no foundations, but he will have to make sure that he informs me. So there was a scenario which I dictated him, that what if in case you like someone after marriage, or maybe you have feelings for someone after marriage, after getting married to me, you will always be free to go, but cheating will never be accepted. So if you tell me that you have feelings, I will let you go easily and you won't get punished, but if you cheat, that won't be acceptable. As I was a daughter of a king, and I was already living a royal life, and I was a mature person, honest person in that life, in that life. So the thought process was, this happens, and that is not a big problem if you are married, and you have feelings for someone else after marriage. So if I talk about myself, I will let you go. I will not stop you, and I will not ask for anything from you. You will have no foundations from me. But the moment you leave my life, the doors will be permanently closed. You can never come back. So this thing I dictated him before getting married to him. So he accepted the marriage proposal, because he was actually thinking that he will become a king after marrying him, which he did not become. So after marriage, he was again living a royal life with me, but he did not become a king. So because of that, his ego was hurted, and he decided to sort of taking revenge from me. And then he actually came in extramarital affair with a feminine. And then as he was living in the same palace with me, So as after marriage, he started going out of the palace. So he was already living with me in that palace after marriage. But then all of a sudden when he started, going out and was not coming home for 2 to 3 days, then I got this information that he has cheated on me. He came in extramarital affair and then also got married to someone secretly, and I wasn't aware about it. So I actually became so angry and upset, and I decided to punish him. So as he did not become king, that's why out of ego and revenge, he came in extramarital affair and also got married to other women without informing me. And as he was going out and was not coming home for few days, I had a doubt. And then I found that he cheated on me and also got married and staying with that girl for few days and then coming to me, also staying with me. So at a time he was staying with two women. So why was he staying with me? Because he did not want to lose that luxurious life which he got actually because of me after getting married. So in that life also he was materialistic, selfish, egoistic person, and there he was working as a worker wherein he got a luxurious life after getting married. But then as people generally are influenced by money, status, so that's how he was, and also in this lifetime. So when I decided to punish him, deceivingly he takes me to a tantric on the name of temple. There I saw it wasn't a priest, it was a tantric, and he actually wanted to do spells so that I do not punish him and I do not go against him, and he will kept on staying with me and with that women also. So in that life also I was actually spiritually so powerful, and that tantric wasn't able to do anything, and I came out of that place where he took me. And then after that I actually extremely punished him. I have punished him to an extent like he was experiencing hell in that life also. So after punishing him, I actually threw him out of my palace, and then he started living with that karmic. So now this karmic is actually the same karmic here in this lifetime with whom he is into relationship. I was actually shocked to see that that's the same feminine who is here in his life, in this lifetime. So in that life I was actually so hurt and lived that entire life in pain. I could not overcome from the pain of betrayal. So that life I actually lived with entire pain. And then there was a pattern, or I can say like before coming on earth in this lifetime, I actually gave commitment to divine that this will not be repeated. And then I looked at my this life, that since my childhood I was so clear, if somebody wants to marry me because of my finances or because of physical beauty, I will not let that happen. So what I did after meeting this twin flame in this life, I did not let him know about my financial status, and that was the reason that that pattern which was there in past life, it did not get repeated in this lifetime. So when I met this twin flame in this lifetime in 3D, immediately within few days I was able to understand that this person is actually after money, and his love actually starts from materialism, from money. He doesn't have real emotions and feelings for anyone. He can do anything to be in a relationship if somebody is wealthy. So as I knew that this person's love and relationships actually starts with money, because of money only, and that's why I hided my financial status, because I was clear since my childhood that also dictated to divine. If you look at my divine dictionary, or maybe there was a conversation about marriage terms and conditions where I have dictated, if somebody wants to marry me because of my finances, I will not let that happen, and I was sure about it. So as this twin flame was so desperate about marriage, and if he knew about my financial status, he would have proposed me immediately for marriage, and he could have also chased me to get married immediately, as he did with other females. So I already knew that. So I was actually shocked, by seeing the face of this karmic feminine, that he got married, secretly when he got married to me after that. So that was, shock. And then when I woke up, from this dream, when I saw this past life story, then I decided to talk to divine. So I actually asked divine that this reunion is punishment for me, and if you want to punish me, then please at least tell me what mistake, what sin I have done, because in this life till now I have not done any sin or any mistake for which you can punish me this way. And if it is about past life, then at least please tell me what sort of mistake I have done. I am not at that fault. Let me know if I have done something according to you, so that you want to punish me with this person. I will happily accept this punishment, but I should be aware about my sin. Then divine said, no, it's not punishment. And I said, okay, if it's not punishment, then make this twin flame marry to this karmic feminine who is in relationship with him, that too since very long time. And divine said, you can get this marriage done sooner than us two. And then I said thanks to divine. I said thanks for giving me this opportunity to show him who the coach is, as every time he was able to take my contact number from somewhere, even after when I shifted from his place, when I left his area. So what he was doing, he did, he took my number from somewhere and he started playing another level of mind game, that too through other person. So I decided to play back this time to give him the closure of that particular mind game which he was recently playing. And when I decided to play back that game, I knew that the end result will be that within 6 months this twin flame will get married to that girl who is in a relationship, that karmic feminine. But before playing back this game, I actually asked divine, hope I am not doing anything against you or against the divine law. So you wanted me to punish this person, so I will punish him in a different way, that too on all level. So divine said, go ahead and make this marriage happen. This karmic girl is the result of all his bad deeds. This girl will, bear the fruits of all these bad deeds even after marriage. Because today she is happily tolerating things, which she will not tolerate after marriage. So this karmic female is is the exact match of this twin flame. Like if I talk about his character, behavior, nature, and mindset. So this karmic feminine will actually make his life hell after marriage. That's what I can see, because I'm aware about her energy. And when marriage happens, that person actually brings particular type of energy in their partner's life and in their family. And the moment he get married, I will get some time and as opportunity because of his marriage to detach his energies from my own energies. And I'm sure of it that I will be able to do it once he is married to this karmic feminine. So wherein I knew that even though he gets married, he can never remove me from his thoughts and those intense feelings. So till the time he stays on earth, he will always stuck on me, in which I have not done anything. That is because of the twin flame connection. And the way he plays insecurity games with this, that karmic feminine, by showing my picture to her so that she even chases him more and worship him like a god the way he wanted, as he started calling, himself as God after knowing this connection. So she is the one who will teach him a lesson in that too in a best way, but after marriage only. So when divine said you cannot spare this person, you will have to punish him. So I said I am not sparing him. It's just that I will make sure he gets punished in every area of his life and starts experiencing real hell on earth, but that too without my involvement. Because if I have to disconnect from his energies, then that is necessary, that I should not be connected with this person because of any reason, not even because of punishment. So his punishment will be done through karma and divine entities. I don't have to do anything in this. So now after this conversation with divine, I decided to play and participate in that mind game which he recently started playing through other person. So I gave closure in the form of mind game, and I was aware that within 6 months this will happen, that this person will get married once I reply back, and I give a closure to this mind game. But before he gets married, I also had to make sure that he confess on social media that he is in a relationship with that same girl and he has actually shown fake breakup, so that no other girl gets trapped, in the way he plays on social media that he's single. Because his plan was to always pretend to be single on social media even after marriage, and always pretend as broken and sad, so that he get, sympathy from other females and they start thinking, oh yeah, he's really a good person. So he actually wanted to pretend single always on social media, and nobody can get to know that, what sort of a shittiest person he is, the way he plays game on social media and keep on pretending he's sad and broken and not in a relationship. And this, and this is the entire aviation team, who was there working with me and was common friends and common contacts. They were always supporting this guy, this twin flame, that yeah, you keep pretending that you are single and you are not in a relationship, and we will also supporting you. Yeah, that is true. So people will definitely believe that thing. Also, this karmic feminine was also supporting him in this, showing fake breakup on social media wherein she was there in the relationship. So this karmic feminine also deserved punishment. So that was the reason I decided for making them married, and they both will start making their life, hell, making their life hell of, each other. So they were their punishment through each other. That was the reason that I took, this decision, let's make them married. So, as per divine help and guidance, I did something through which he actually confessed on social media that he has been into constant, relationship with this girl and he never broke up. So that confession he did that, and also I got evidences in 2019 after becoming his immediate neighbor. Within few months, I got to know about his, details and evidences of fake breakup. So there was a female from aviation industry who knew this twin flame, also many other common contact in aviation. So in 2019, before my awakening, in 2020, I told that girl about this, twin flame, that he has been into constant relationship, and just to keep me stuck, he has shown himself as single and also showed fake breakup on social media. And there are people who have been supporting him. So I told everybody's name to that girl. I did this intentionally. So why I did this, I gave this information intentionally to that girl who was again from aviation and was his and mine a common contact, because I knew that if you tell anything to this girl, she will start, sharing this information with every other person in that, aviation industry or in that particular airline. So I knew giving her any information is like, spreading the news like wildfire. So she will start sharing this information with everybody who she knew, and even there were a lot of people, in aviation who she was working with. So, and I also told her that, he will get married to this girl with whom he is in a relationship and has shown fake breakup. So I gave this information to this girl before March 2020. So she did what was expected, and in 2022 December, he confessed on social media about this fake breakup and that he has been into a relationship with this girl and he did never broke up with this girl. So I gave closure to that mind game which he was playing through other person, and I knew in next 6 months he will get married surely. So it was January 2023. It was first week of January. So what has happened? My rose quartz crystal bracelet is broken from my hand while praying. Then there was water tank in which I saw entities, is crying. Like, I saw a spirit that who is crying. So after that I saw that, when this spirit was crying, that too near a fish tank. So that was such a shocking thing for me, that I have never seen a spirit crying this way. I can see spirits, I can hear them, but this is first time I'm seeing that a spirit is crying. So while praying, inside my house temple, what has happened that first this crystal got broke, and then I saw a spirit crying nearby this, fish tank, which was a very large tank in my room. And then all of a sudden, I actually started feeling so suffocated. So I knew that it was not my energy, and I realized this energy is of this twin flames. Then I decided to check his, social media. And then there I saw that his engagement pictures were posted by his girlfriend, and she actually tagged those pictures with this twin flame. So now I was actually feeling happy and relaxed that finally he has got engaged with this person, with this karmic feminine. So he got engaged to this karmic feminine in the month of January, first week 2023. And as I knew that in 6 months he will surely get married. So in February 2023, I was sitting in my room after completing my evening prayer, and all of a sudden, this fire of the lamp in my house temple, it started increasing, the flares up, and even a small part of the temple got burnt. And I was not able to stop this, fire, and all of a sudden then there was a tarot table, which is a big table in my room, that there was candle was burning, and then it all started burning heavily, and my tarot table half of the table got burnt, and also I had wooden floor. So both rooms were actually there were a lot of fire, and all of a sudden this was happening. And then meanwhile I saw that spirit was again crying, the one I saw earlier at the time of his engagement. And after all these things, I was not able to stop this fire. Meanwhile, I started feeling lot of pressure and suffocated within myself. So, and then I realized again that this is not my energy, and this energy belongs to this twin flame. So looks like that something has happened with him. And then I decided to check his status, and then I saw that he has actually got married to that girlfriend, the karmic feminine. So there were pictures of his wedding which was posted again by his wife now, and she actually tagged him on social media. So I was under so much pressure that I should stop this marriage then and there itself. I was facing so much problem then, that I should go ahead and stop this marriage. So I was not able to cope up with that pressure, but I stopped myself and sat peacefully without doing anything. No matter what happens, this marriage will not stop today. I decided that, and this marriage is happening from my side with my permission. I want this marriage to happen. So no matter how much pressure I have from his, devilish side, I will not go ahead and stop this marriage. So I was able to feel the happiness of this karmic feminine, and she felt that, she was getting married, because of her black magic and spells. But no, it was not the truth, because she started doing the magic, since 2020, when she got to know about this connection of him and mine. So she started doing this spells so that she gets married to him. But now this marriage was happening in 2023 February. So this was happening with my permission. So the fire was getting increased again and again because of his devilish energy, as it was forcing me to go out and stop this marriage. And I knew I can stop that marriage, but I would not do that. I was under a lot of pressure that I was, finding it hard to stop myself. So I locked my room. I was able to, remove those fire from the house. But then I also decided, no matter what happens today, I will not stop this marriage. So as I was not able to hold this, the pressure I was having from, to stop this marriage from this devilish side of this twin flame. So when I extinguished the fire after burning a lot of things in my room, then I actually, closed my eyes and sat, and I was like, I will not even go outside my house today. So I actually sat with closed eyes till 12 midnight. So I opened my eyes after 12 a.m. that, late night, and then I knew that by that time he'll be married to that karmic feminine. And also one thing, the day he was getting married, during evening time, he hired a practitioner and asked to do a, spell on me, so that I keep on thinking about him. I should not move on from him. Then I punished that evil practitioner through one of the divine entity, and that person was, punished brutally, because that was needed. So the day he got married, from next day, I actually started focusing on other problems in my life. So I was actually satisfied and free, that tension free, I would say, that he got married now, and I will have an opportunity to remove him from my thoughts and these feelings. So next day, what has happened, that my director, who I was reporting in my office, said that everyone is coming to office now, because till now everyone was working from home, but now the office has started going on, so you will have to come to office. So I said, no, I cannot come to office. So I told him the situations I was going through. Most of the time I was falling sick because of these entities attack. So he said, no, I am also coming to office, you will have to come. So I said, I can resign, but I will not come to office. But then all of a sudden he started requesting me very politely, that, if you can come once in a week time. So then I agreed, but I said, like, I will come, and I will see if I'm able to work in office, and then otherwise I will resign after 3 months. And a humble request, please accept my resignation. So now what he did, he said, okay, come to office. You can come alternate days, and maybe once in a week or twice in a week. You won't have any restrictions, but just, start coming to office. So I said, I have genuine problems. These health issues were genuine. These spirit attacks were actually affecting my health a lot. So I went to office in March 2023, and I told to my director that I have been writing emails to resign every day almost since March 2020, and I am not able to send this email of this, resignation email. As if like somebody is, holding my hands and do not want me to resign. So I am being stuck. I don't know why this is happening, and this is unexplainable. And these weird things are happening with me since March 2020. So after my, this spiritual awakening. So I requested him that, I cannot explain why this is happening. So I request you, please, throw me out of the office so that I am able to resign. That's what I said to him. So on this matter, we both started, laughing the way I said, you throw me out of the office because I'm not able to resign. I don't know why. And then he said, okay, you start working. And then what was happened, that it was a second day, second time when I went to office. It was 1 a.m. in the night, and suddenly I felt like extreme pain in my body and had fever, and I was not able to even sit, and I wanted to cry a lot, that too loud. So I called the director and said that, I did not want to come to office because this is what happening with me, and this transport was not able to arrange cabs somehow because of some genuine reason. Otherwise it was always been arranged by the people. So now he said, like, you can go back to home and you can start doing work from home now permanently. You don't have to come to office. So I said, okay, no problem. Then I again started working from home, and suddenly after returning home I realized that I have been stuck here in this company by the divine. It's not about this boss, this director. I have reached my age and I'm not able to resign that. So in the month of March 2023, I spoke to divine that why have you kept me stuck here in this company. So divine said, divine reminded me one of my mistake, which was kept on repeating since several years, and that was actually related to documentation and email, because of which I have actually faced a lot of problem, and a lot of losses were done in past few years. And then this director has also been asking me to correct same that exact mistake what divine reminded me, kept on reminding me to correct this issue since I was working with this person, and I did not do it intentionally because I did not want to follow everything he was asking me to follow. So then I thanks divine that thank you so much for reminding me this mistake, and now I will correct this mistake immediately on priority basis, but you release me from this company. Because of the entities attack, these dark entities were not stopping, they kept on attacking. So I realized that I will have to go on some spiritual place, and I was actually guided by the divine to shift my location at a particular spiritual place. So the mistake divine wanted me to correct, it was actually connected to my soul mission and with the future. So even the smallest mistakes of mine were corrected by the divine, so that I do not get harmed in any way, and I don't have to face any kind of losses in future when I actually start serving my soul mission. So that every sort of preparation which was required for soul mission, that was done through divine by putting me in some particular situations. Then I asked to resign in March 2023, and the director said that you should go on leave, even if you want to take leave for a month, but do not resign, please do not resign, he requested. So I said, no, I have to resign, and I want to go peacefully from this company. I do not want to fight with you, because I am about to complete 5 years and I have good terms with you and with the company, so I want to go peacefully. So then he said, now what you can do, you can go ahead on 10 days unpaid leaves. When you will not receive your salary money, then you will realize how much money is important. So then I understood his background, because the family he comes from, they have a lot of pressure for earning all the time. So I understood his mindset, but I said, no, I actually want to resign. So I will go ahead on a 10 days paid, these unpaid leaves. So wherein I already had 50 plus paid leaves in my account, but I went on those unpaid leaves for 10 days. So on 10th day he asked, what have you decided? So I said, I would serve my notice period now, I have decided to leave. And then he actually asked me to train a girl who was so junior, and I was handling extreme level of a work which was not possible for such kind of a person to train. But then still I tried my level best, and then because of this issue, as this girl was not able to learn everything, because I have a different way of working, and I have a speed which people cannot match. Then he kept on extending my notice period one after another. So it was for a month, and then he kept on extending. Now I was frustrated, so I said, now you want me to fight, then only you will let me go. And then at the end I had to fight and argue with him, and then I was released from that company. So I was fine now that I was released from that company, but still the entities attack were not stopped, and immediately I was guided to shift my location, and then I shifted at a particular spiritual place where divine guided me. And then there another story started happening that I will share in another video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.